Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about 5 foods to reduce estrogen dominance, estrogen-dominance diet. Estrogen dominance is the main cause of many conditions that lead to infertility and even worse, estrogen-dependent cancers. Some examples of estrogen-dominant conditions are PCOS, PCOS, ovarian cysts, endometriosis, fibroids, polyps, low sperm count, poor sperm quality due to low testosterone, fibrocystic breast disease and obesity. There are 3 different types of estrogen produced by the ovaries. E1, estrone, E2, estradiol, and E3, estriol. Estrogen is very important for women. Promotes maturation of follicles, development of the endometrium for implantation of a fertilized egg, production of fertile mucus, softens the cervix, softens the vagina during intercourse and helps sperm swim in the female reproductive system. It is the main hormone for the development of the female reproductive organs and is important for the overall health of the breasts, fallopian tubes, ovaries, and vagina. And as you reach your menopausal years, you can complain of a lack of estrogen, hot flashes, vaginal dryness, and a risk of osteoporosis. Too much of a good thing? So how can something so good and so important to women's health cause a host of conditions that lead to infertility and cancer? Balance and moderation is key to any successful endeavor. Excessive exercise can actually break down muscle tissue and cause weight gain. Taking too much vitamin C can lead to diarrhea, and taking too much estrogen can lead to a hormonal imbalance. The 4th type of estrogen that we recognize belongs to the group of so-called xenoestrogens. Xeno in Greek means foreign, meaning not made by the body. In this context, it refers to the estrogen we are exposed to through the food we eat, the drinks we drink, creams, lotions, the doses we put on our skin and the chemicals we inhale, some from the environment, some from exposure to commercial fragrances and cleaning solutions. Xenoestrogens look similar to estrogen the body makes and can bind to estrogen receptors, the key lock system, and activate the same reaction in the cell that real estrogen does. Since all hormones are dependent on each other and the release of one triggers the release of other hormones, you quickly end up with an uncoordinated secretion of hormones that starts to wreak havoc in the body. Daily agitation over an extended period can lead to changes in tissues and functions that eventually lead to a chronic condition. Chronic cases respond better to dietary and lifestyle changes. So what can you do to prevent the dominance of estrogen in your body? 5 foods to reduce estrogen dominance. Get to know the cruciferous vegetable family. They are broccoli, cabbage, kale, cabbage and cauliflower. This family of vegetables contains the compound sulfur, which can be gaseous, and indole 3-carbinol. These men bind to estrogen and remove it from the body. 3 servings a day. This vegetable can be eaten raw in salads, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, kale, or steamed, Brussels sprouts. Turnips make great healthy oven-baked chips with some olive oil and sea salt. Hello, green leafy vegetables. Spinach, celery, watercress, parsley, dandelion and Swiss chard. Eat 2 to 3 servings a day. Green leafies make great salads and can be mixed into smoothies. Adding 1 banana to your smoothie will mask the herbal taste. If a green drink isn't your thing, add a handful of frozen blueberries or cherries to make it purple and a raspberry flavor. A dash of stevia and vanilla extract complete this gourmet blend. Good morning, pretty. The fruits that remind us of our beautiful sun are all citrus fruits. Lemon, orange, grapefruit, ruby red and yellow, tangerine, mandarin, pomelo and lime. Citrus fruits contain D-limonene, which helps detoxify estrogen. Aim for 1 serving a day. You can squeeze it, eat it, and add its juice to a variety of dishes. Organic lemons and oranges can be perfectly blended and a great addition to smoothies, making them delicious. If you are going to use the peel, which is very healthy, be sure to wash the fruit and use only organic fruit, as the pesticides can be absorbed into the essential oils in the peel of citrus fruits. Pesticides like xenoestrogens work, so you should avoid exposure to them. Grandma knows best. An apple a day keeps you from going to the doctor. The insoluble fiber found in apples, oats, berries, and beans binds to estrogen in the small intestine and prevents its absorption. This way you can reduce your exposure to xenoestrogens from your diet. Aim for 2 meals a day. Please, after you have finished watching the video, We advise you to look at the links in the description. There is something very important and useful waiting for you. Finally, these tiny seeds contain more than meets the eye. Sesame seeds and flax seeds contain estrogen lignans. Aim for 2 to 3 tablespoons a day. You can have flaxseed oil, ground flax seeds, or sesame seeds sprinkled in salads or ground into a paste called tahini. Flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These foods should be part of your basic daily diet. They are versatile and can accompany many dishes as a side dish or as a main dish. Be creative and make sure to get it daily. In the end, please activate the bell button, subscribe to the channel, to receive from us all that is new. For more information about 5 foods to reduce estrogen dominance, estrogen dominance diet, please visit my own site. You will find the website link in the description. Thank you.